Today I want to talk about something I've wanted to do for a long time. If you've been following this channel for years, you know that in the past, every time we hit 10,000 followers, I used it to give away full custom models. And I like doing that. But over time, I ran into a small issue. Whenever I mention giveaways, I will get comments like, I want it, but I'm not sharing my address. I'll never send my location. I don't feel comfortable giving my info. And honestly, I completely understand online privacy, it's important. So instead of stopping the idea completely, I started thinking, what if we try something different? The pilot program, how it works. I'm going to test a few pilot videos where I offer some of my 3D printed creations directly to you, but in a simple and transparent way. Here's how it will work. I post a video showing a specific item, maybe a shell, a custom face, or detailed parts. If you want one, just send me an email. My email is listed on my channel page. I send you a PayPal invoice. You only cover material cost, filament, shipping supplies, PayPal fees. That's it. We are talking roughly $2 to $5 plus shipping, depending on the size of the part. For comparison, custom shells on platforms like eBay can easily cost $15 to $20 or more, especially after seller fees and marketplace costs. This is not about profit. Important. FDM prints only for now, which are filament. At the moment, this pilot program will be FDM filament prints only. That means layer lines might be visible. You might need light sanding or finishing. These are great for painting, customizing, or experimenting. With proper tuning, FDM can look very clean, but it's still filament-based printing. Resin printed shell could be possible in the near future. If this pilot program works well, resin option will definitely be available later. Am I making money from this? No. This is not becoming a store. This is not business launch. This is not a profit project. I'm simply covering filament, packings, materials, shipping supplies, PayPal fees. So how I benefit? Content. Filming the prints, showing the process, packing orders, seeing what you build with the parts. That becomes part of the channel's journey. Important details. This is a test phase. Limited quantities, first come, first served. Personal use only, not bulk reselling. If it becomes overwhelming, I might adjust or pause. I still want time to design new shells, new faces, and maybe even experiment with things that were never officially produced. This pilot should support creativity, not slow it down. Why am I doing this? I've always enjoyed sharing my creations, from repairing and restoring Trackmaster models to designing custom shells to printing parts that never had a physical version. Instead of waiting for a big 10,000 follower milestone to do a full giveaway, this allows smaller, more frequent opportunities to the community at a minimal cost. Let me know, so now I want your feedback. Will you be interested in this FDM pilot program? Would you prefer milestone giveaways instead? Would you like resin options in the future? Comment below and let me know your thoughts. We'll test this together and see how it goes.